Chosen one, stop for a moment and listen carefully. Heaven is not silent today. This message is not random, and you are not here by accident. There are seasons when effort alone does not explain outcomes, and this is one of those seasons. You have carried pressure quietly. You have done what you could with limited resources, and still you kept moving. That endurance has been seen. Right now, what looks like delay is actually preparation. What feels like financial stillness is not denial, it is alignment. There are things shifting behind the scenes that you cannot calculate with logic. Doors you did not knock on are being positioned to open. Hands you never expected are being prepared to help. This is the moment when surprise replaces struggle. Not because you demanded it, but because you remained steady when giving up would have been easier. You were faithful in confusion. You stayed disciplined when results were slow. That consistency created permission for increase. Do not limit what is coming by the size of your expectations. The surprise will not follow your old patterns. It will not come through the same sources. It will not arrive the way your mind predicts. That is why it will shock you. What is about to happen will change how you see money, not just how much you have. You are stepping into a phase where provision flows with less strain. Relief is closer than it appears. Stability is forming quietly, and confidence will return where fear once lived. Stay alert. Stay humble. Stay ready. Because when the shift begins, it will move fast. This is not hype. This is alignment. You are about to witness financial movement that cannot be explained, only experienced. If you feel peace reading this, that is your confirmation. The surprise has already started before you even saw it. Chosen one, listen, heaven is speaking softly, but the message is strong. What you are experiencing right now is not a pause. It is recalibration. There are moments when progress is hidden because what is being arranged must mature before it appears. You may feel like nothing is happening, yet in reality, multiple streams are being redirected toward you. You have questioned your worth during financial pressure. You wondered if effort was wasted, if sacrifice mattered. Hear this clearly. None of it was lost. Every responsible choice, every delayed pleasure, every quiet prayer created structure for what is coming next. The surprise will not come from desperation. It will come from positioning. You were placed exactly where you needed to be to receive what you could not have handled earlier. Timing is protecting you. Maturity is guarding the blessing. Do not overlook small signals right now. Unexpected conversations, sudden ideas, unusual opportunities. These are not coincidences. They are invitations. When something aligns too smoothly, do not second guess it. When help arrives without struggle, do not reject it out of pride. You are entering a phase where provision follows obedience. Not obedience to people, but to inner guidance. The pull you feel to move differently, think differently, manage differently, that is preparation, not pressure. Money will begin to respond to clarity. As confusion lifts, flow increases. As fear loosens, opportunity expands. You are learning to receive without anxiety. This financial surprise will restore confidence, not create chaos. It will steady you, not distract you. It will support your future, not trap you in the past. Remain grounded. Remain grateful. Because what is forming now is sustainable and it is meant to last. Chosen one, pause everything and hear this with a calm heart. Heaven is leaning in. There are times when silence feels heavy, but that silence is not empty. It is filled with decisions being finalized in places you cannot see. Right now, your name is being carried into rooms you never entered. Discussions are happening without your effort. Outcomes are being prepared without your struggle. You were not meant to force this season. If you had pushed harder, you would have disrupted the order. Restraint was wisdom, not weakness. Waiting was not passive, it was strategic. What is being assembled requires precision, not panic. The financial surprise will arrive through alignment, not exhaustion. It will feel natural even though it is unexpected. It will settle things you thought would take years to resolve. And when it happens, you will realize why delay was necessary. Release the idea that struggle proves worth. You have already proven enough. The upcoming shift is not a reward for pain. It is a response to growth. You are receiving because you are ready, not because you suffered. What is about to open will not demand chasing. It will invite acceptance. Pay attention to moments of ease. Notice when resistance disappears. Those are signs that you are in the correct flow. This change will also heal something internal. Fear around finances will loosen its grip. Decisions will become clearer. Confidence will rise quietly, without arrogance. You will handle more without losing peace. You are stepping into stability that does not require constant vigilance. That alone is the surprise many people never experience. Trust the unfolding. Do not rush the reveal. Because when it arrives, it will feel like it was always meant for you, just at the right time. Chosen one, be still for a moment. This message requires your full attention. Heaven is unfolding something precise. What you are stepping into now is not just financial movement, it is financial understanding. In the past, money felt unpredictable, sometimes overwhelming, sometimes scarce. That cycle is being interrupted. Not by chance, but by awareness. You are being taught how to hold increase without fear, how to manage without anxiety, how to receive without guilt. This is why the surprise has taken time, because capacity had to grow before supply could expand. This shift is not about sudden spending. It is about lasting control. You are moving from survival thinking into stewardship thinking, from reacting to planning, from stress to strategy. Notice how your mindset is changing. You no longer panic the way you used to. You think twice before making decisions. You are becoming intentional. That inner change is the signal that outer change is close. There will be moments when an opportunity feels too calm to be powerful. Do not dismiss it. The biggest breakthroughs often arrive without noise. They feel stable, not dramatic. Secure, not rushed. What is coming will simplify your life, not complicate it. Bills will feel lighter. Choices will feel clearer. Sleep will come easier. That is part of the surprise. Peace returning alongside provision. Do not compare your journey with others. Your path is tailored. Your release is customized. What fits someone else would not have sustained you. Remain disciplined. Remain observant, because you are being trusted with more, not to impress others, but to build a stronger future. This is the season where wisdom attracts wealth, and you are exactly where you need to be. Chosen one, listen closely. This is a turning point, and heaven wants your focus. There is a reason your priorities have been shifting lately. Things that once excited you no longer control you. Impulses that used to drain you are losing their power. This is not loss, it is refinement. You are being detached from habits that could not travel with you into the next level. Money responds to order, and order is being restored within you first. You are learning when to say yes and when to walk away. You are recognizing value beyond appearance. That inner clarity is creating a magnetic pull for resources that are clean, stable, and timely. The surprise will not test your integrity. It will confirm it. You will not have to compromise your values to receive. You will not feel conflicted after it arrives. Peace will sit beside the increase, not run from it. Be mindful of guidance that comes quietly, a nudge to reorganize, an urge to save differently, a thought to explore a new path. These impressions are not random. They are instructions designed to protect the blessing before it becomes visible. What you are about to receive will reward responsibility, not recklessness. This is why it feels measured. This is why it feels intentional. You are being entrusted, not overwhelmed. You may notice support appearing at the right moment. Advice, connections, or clarity that removes confusion. Accept it without suspicion. Help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of alignment. This financial surprise will strengthen your future, not inflate your ego. It will help you build, not escape. Grow, not hide. Share, not fear. Remain steady. Remain grateful, because the ground beneath you is becoming firm, and what stands on it will endure. Chosen one, stop and take a deep breath. Heaven is recalculating your outcome. There are figures and limits you accepted in the past because you believed that was all that was possible. Those ceilings are being removed, not through force, but through expansion of perspective. You are beginning to see options where you once saw walls. This season is teaching you that provision is not always about income alone. Sometimes it comes as reduced pressure, corrected decisions, or opportunities that save time and energy. These changes matter just as much as numbers. They create space for growth that is sustainable. The surprise will come through efficiency, not excess. You will notice waste disappearing, leaks closing, resources stretching further than before. That is not coincidence, it is design. You are also being trained to trust flow instead of control. Anxiety once made you grip too tightly. Now you are learning when to act and when to allow things to move naturally. This balance is critical. Without it, increase would feel heavy instead of freeing. Pay attention to ideas that simplify rather than complicate. The right move will feel clean. The correct decision will bring relief, not tension. When peace accompanies a choice, it is a sign you are aligned. What is forming will not require constant correction. It will run smoothly because it is built on clarity. You will not need to fix what was properly established. There may be moments when progress feels subtle. Do not underestimate quiet momentum. Slow, steady movement often carries the most power. Results will speak when the time is right. Remain patient. Remain observant. Because what is coming will feel stable the moment it arrives. And that stability is part of the surprise. Chosen one, hear this carefully. Heaven is confirming what your heart has sensed. You are closer than you realize. The tension you feel is not fear. It is transition. When old limits loosen and new ground appears, the shift can feel unfamiliar. Do not misinterpret that feeling as danger. It is evidence that change is underway. There were moments when you almost settled, accepted less because waiting felt uncomfortable. But you resisted that temptation. That restraint protected you. What is approaching requires a clear space, not a compromised one. The financial surprise will arrive without the pressure to prove anything. You will not need to announce it. You will not need validation. The peace it brings will be more satisfying than recognition. You are learning discernment, knowing what deserves your energy and what does not. This skill will preserve what you receive. Not every opportunity needs a response. Not every invitation deserves attention. Wisdom will save you more than effort ever could. Notice how your reactions are calmer now. You think before you speak. You pause before you decide. That maturity is not accidental. It is preparation. You are being trusted with outcomes that require stability. What is coming will confirm your growth, not test your patience. You have already waited long enough. The next movement will not stretch you, it will support you. There may be a brief moment of adjustment when it arrives. Allow yourself to receive without guilt. You are not taking from others. You are stepping into what was aligned for you. Remain grounded. Remain present, because the final shift is near, and it will feel right when it happens. Chosen one, Be completely present. This is the closing confirmation. Heaven is not hinting anymore. What has been building quietly is now ready to reveal itself.